Hi guys, welcome to Computer Buddy. Myself Akhilesh. Video is related to my previous video. So in this video I am going to show you how to run a simple Java program in Windows 10. So for that I am typing a simple Java program. This is a simple Java program which is going to give you a message hello. So you have to open Notepad and you have to type a Java program. You have to save it as PROGRAMNAME.java. If you want to know how to install Java in Windows 10, watch my previous video. After saving, you have to open command prompt and you have to type the following commands. You have to set the directory where your file is saved. So I have saved the program in desktop, so I am typing cd space desktop, and next command is you have to run the Java program. First you have to compile it, so the command is javac space PROGRAMNAME.java. So if there is no error, then you have to run the program. So the command is java space program name and hit enter. Yes. Thanks for watching my video. Please do support by subscribing my channel. Thank you.